Today we will start our sixth lesson, fight pollution. So children, you know that how the nature is important for us. Because of deforestation, nature already polluted, and because of this pollution, there are many harmful diseases, and this is only because of deforestation. So words of wisdom, presentation of our environment is not a liberal or conservative challenge, it's a common sense. It is not for only one, it is the great challenge to care that our great nature. Because if we are polluting the nature because of pollution, so much harm about that nature, and because of this we are suffering from many diseases. So pollution is the presence of contaminant in the natural environment. So contaminants means poisonous substance that makes impure. Poisonous substance that make nature impure. Natural things, children, it is made by God. So God made natural things for us, nature for us, but we human being, we totally polluted, totally destroyed this nature, and it is only because of our carelessness, and only we are the responsible to pollute this beautiful eternal nature. So pollution is what is meant by pollution? Pollution is the presence of contaminants in the natural environment. Means poisonous elements in natural environment. This leads to adverse changes in nature and affect the health of living thing. Living thing means not only we, but animals, birds. They are also suffering because of this pollution. And what is the main reason of pollution? Deforestation. Because of our population is increasing day by day, and because of that, because of our need, we are cutting the trees. We did that deforestation, and because of that, this affect living thing totally affected by these things. So effects of pollution. Air pollution can cause diseases of the lungs. You know that in science you are teaching that air pollution, how much harmful for us. It is affect our lungs. Water pollution. There are air pollution, water pollution, land pollution. So water pollution not only harms the aquatic plants and animals, it also affects the health of animals and people who depend on water. We know that. So many people are dependent only river and lakes, canals. So when we are polluting this river and lakes, so that polluted water, if anyone drink that water, so definitely it is harmful for his health. So water pollution is harmful for our health. Then pollution of the soil by poisonous chemical makes the soil infertile. Infertile इसका मतलब है बंजर बनना. So that pollution of the soil by poisonous chemicals, when we are using in our field poisonous chemical, that is cause of infertile of our land. This affect the growth of plants, which is turn leads to spoil erosion. Erosion means remove soil. So pollution of soil also poisonous. Oil spill and ocean can cause destruction of marine life. Many small and big insects in that water of sea. So oil pollution on oceans can cause, it is affect the life of that marine life. Noise pollution, children. You know that noise pollution is very harmful to our ear. We can become deaf also because of loud noise. So noise pollution is also harmful. It is can cause hearing loss, high blood pressure, stress and sleep disorder. So noise pollution also very harmful. Pollution due to lead, mercury and other heavy metal can cause developmental defect and neurological problem in children. Pollution due to lead and other heavy metals. That metals can cause the neurological problem in the children. Neurological means brain से संबंधित जो भी बीमारियां हैं. So it is very harmful to the children. Then chemical and radioactive contamination can cause cancer and birth defect. Chemical and radioactive contamination can cause the cancer and birth rate. It causes cancer also. So it is also very harmful. Then prevention of pollution. So these are the cause of pollution. But in other passage we can see that prevention of pollution means how can we prevent pollution? How can we come out of this pollution? Stopping pollution is important for the survival of our planet. If we want to save our nature, if you want to save our earth, so we have to stop this pollution and well-being of the people who depend on it. And it is necessary thing to prevent the pollution. Left uncontrolled pollution could leave us with a planet sapped of its beauty, vitality and diversity. If this pollution is going on, अगर ये pollution ऐसे ही शुरू रहा, so it is very harmful that a planet sap destroy, our earth will be destroyed and of its beauty. We have beautiful nature, but because of this pollution, that beauty of our planet totally destroyed. Then vitality, energy and diversity. Diversity means discrimination. So there is so much loss because of this pollution. So we have to aware from today that we have to save nature. So children, prevention of pollution is must for us to save our Mother Earth. So we have to do something for it because nature is very beautiful and it is giving lots of us. But we selfish human being, we are already spoiling and day by day it is spoiling by us only.